Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do Doggo festive style from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw his nose, and I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right from the middle point right there, and I'm gonna draw another curved line to the left. At the ending point at the side, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line from the left upwards across to the right there. Inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw off center at this lower point a small oval shape and another one on the right side right there. At the side of the nose, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards on both the left and right side. Semicircular turn at the lower point inwards to the middle point, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here. Below the nose, I'm gonna draw a line downwards in the middle point, branch it out with a curved line to the side, and semicircular turn downwards below that. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side right here. And above the nose, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line across right there, and at the side I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally downwards like that, and I'm gonna copy the same thing on the right side. Now above his nose, I'm gonna draw a line upwards, branch it out with a curved line to the side, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. And I'm gonna copy that same shape again at the left corner, turn it sideways to the outer corner on the left, and curve line back downwards on the left side of the face right there. Below that, I'm gonna flare it out with a curved line at the cheek and turn it back inwards below the cheek. Copy the same shape again on the right side right here. And for his eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line across from the side of his snout right there. And on the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards, semicircular turn inwards to the middle point and slightly downwards. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw an arch curved line from the outer corner on the left and back downwards in the inner corner of the eye. Above that, I'm going to draw another arch curved line across. Inside of the eye, I'm going to draw his pupil with a circular shape at that corner right there. And inside of that, I'm going to draw on the right corner a small circle and a black dot in the middle point. Below the eye, a curved line across right there. Copy the same shape of the eye on the right side. Now below the line of his mouth, I'm gonna extend it downwards and turn it outwards with a curved line right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Below that, a curved line across the mouth all the way from the left to the right. Now from the right side of his cheek, I'm gonna draw the lower part of his hoodie with a zigzag line diagonally across to the left and slightly downwards. Semicircular turn upwards at that corner and turn it outwards at the upper point. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this lower point. Now for the upper part of the hoodie, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across to the right there. Turn it downwards along the side of his face and turn it diagonally inwards and down And on the left corner right there, I'm gonna turn it back upwards, following the same shape of the head at the side right there. And at the top here, I'm gonna turn it back to the middle point across right there. Above that line, I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the right. Semicircle turn downwards diagonally on the right corner. I'm gonna copy that same shape again on the right side. And another diagonal line at the inner corner on the left right here. And at the tip of the head, I'm gonna draw a circular shape at that corner right there. Below the hoodie on the right, a curved line downwards. And from the middle point below the hoodie, a curved line diagonally upwards to that ending point above. Turn it sideways to his shoulder. And at the shoulder, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn downwards. Extend it downwards to his elbow point. And turn it back inwards to the left. Flare it out before the wrist, turn it back inwards, flare it back out again, and back inwards. Curve line upwards at the wrist, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape as the outer line of the arm at this upper point. Above that line, I'm gonna draw a line upwards and semicircle turn at that corner to the outer corner of his shoulder right there. Below the arm, I'm gonna draw a line downwards at that corner. Now at his wrist, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across to the left, turn it downwards at that corner, and turn it back to the left and inwards at the lower point. For his left shoulder, I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the shoulder on the left right here. Turn it downwards, flare it slightly out at the elbow point, and turn it diagonally inwards at the elbow point right there. Curve line upwards at that corner and turn it to the right at the upper corner. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the fluffy sleeve at this corner right here. And above that, a line upwards, turn it diagonally out at the upper corner. In between the two hands, I'm gonna draw a line upwards on the left corner, curve line across to the right, and turn it back downwards on the right side. Now below his hoodie, off center, I'm gonna draw two lines downwards, right there, and at the ending point below, a circular shape. And inside of that, two lines across right there. Copy that same shape again on the right side right here. And I'm gonna draw it slightly longer than the one on the left. From the middle point below the hoodie, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line upwards and slightly out. And I'm gonna mirror that on the left side right there. Copy that same shape again and turn it sideways like that. I'm gonna copy that same shape again and turn it even more horizontal at the upper point right here. I'm gonna mirror the same set of shape on the left side. Above that, I'm gonna trace the same shape again across all the way from the left to the right. Below the hand on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Semicircular turn at that corner to the right, across with a curved line to the right side of his outfit. Turn it back upwards on the right side with a semicircular turn to the right hand. Below the hand on the right, a diagonal curved line across, downwards, turn it downwards. On the left side of that, I'm gonna draw the bone pattern with a line across right there and another one below that. From the ending point above, a diagonal curved line up and to the right, semicircular turn downwards, semicircular turn back to the left, and mirror that same shape at this lower point. I'm gonna mirror the same shape again on the left side right there. Below his outfit at the side, I'm gonna draw a short line downwards on both the left and right, and at the ending point below, a curved line across from the left to the right side. Below that, I'm gonna draw his pants with a curved line downwards on the left corner. Semicircular turn inwards to the knee point. Another curved line downwards. Below that, some wavy line downwards at that corner all the way to the top of his boots. And for the inner line of his pants, I'm going to draw across an arch curved line in the middle. And off center of that curved line, I'm going to draw the inner line with a diagonal curved line downwards and inwards to his knee point. Flare it out at that corner, turn it back inwards. Diagonal turn back outwards below the knee point and turn it back diagonally inwards. Some wavy line at that corner. And for his boots, I'm gonna draw on the middle point a curved line upwards, semicircular turn to the left and turn it downwards. On the right side, a curved line up, semicircular turn to the right and turn it downwards. Flare it out with a curved line to the base of the boots. And on the left side of the boots, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Semicircular turn at that corner diagonally to the left and turn it downward with a semicircular turn at the front tip of the shoe. From the front tip of the shoe, I'm going to draw a curved line across all the way to the back with a curved line. And below that, a line downwards at the front tip and another one at the back. Another curved line across from the front tip of the shoe all the way to the back. Now on the left side of the shoe, from the upper point, I'm going to draw some crisscross knots downwards. Curved line across to the left, semicircular turn downwards at that corner to the side of the base. Above the base of the shoe at the back, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards to the back. And on the left side of that, I'm going to draw a diagonal line up to the left and another similar line on the right side right there, and a line across at the ending point above. Copy that same shape again on the right side right there. Now for his right leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards to his knee, flare it out with a curved line and turn it back inwards. Below that, diagonal line out, turn it back inwards, some wavy line all the way to the top of his boots. Mirror that same shape at the inner corner on the right side right here. And for the boots, curved line upwards, semicircular turn to the right and semicircular turn back downwards. At the side of that, a curved line to the left and turn it downwards. Flare it out below the ankle point. And for the right side, I'm gonna copy the same shape. Extend it outwards on the right corner right there, and same is gonna turn downwards. Curve line across to the left at that corner, same is gonna turn upwards, and diagonal line to the left. Below that, a line downwards. On the left corner, curve line across to the right, another line downwards on the right side of that, and a curve line across to the right, and a line upwards on the right side. Some crisscross knots at the upper point in the middle right here. Below that, a line downwards at the side, same as you could turn to the side and turn it downwards. Mirror the same shape again on the right side. Now on his thigh, I'm gonna draw a strap with a rectangular shape right there for the buckle, and another one inside of that. On the right side of the buckle, a curved line across at the upper corner, and another one at the lower point. Below the strap, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line across from the inner line of the leg to the right, and another one below that. And above his knee, I'm going to draw a curve line across, and another one below that. Copy that same set of shape on the left side right here. And on the left side of that, I'm gonna take the point from the middle of his pants and draw a similar line as the inner line of the pants, all the way to the top of his boots on the left right there. In the middle of his pants, I'm gonna draw off center 2 lines downwards on the left and right, and at the side a diagonal curve line right there, and another one on the left side. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.